Hey, what's going on, guys? Matt here. In today's video, got something different once again. My last few videos have been different, been non-musical. But yeah, in this video, I'm going to be talking about USB-C cables not staying in your phone or your device, whatever you're using. This is an HTC 10 that I have here, and I've kind of noticed over the past few weeks that my USB-C cable just kind of falls right out when I plug it in. So I got to thinking, I keep this phone in my pocket. So I took a straight pin, something really small, and just kind of gently went around the inside of that USB-C port. And that's what I got out right there, all that pocket lint. That's about half of it there. Some of it fell on the floor. But it actually worked. I immediately tried plugging it in, and it works. It stays in. It's a lot more secure. Yeah, so if you're having trouble with your USB-C cable falling out of your device, just try this. Take something really small and just kind of go around the inside of that port. A toothpick is too big. A paper clip is probably too big. So you might want to try. What I used was a straight pin. A staple might work. Something really small. Bend a staple straight. But yeah, all that pocket lint was preventing the cable from fitting in there securely. Yeah. So yeah, quick and easy fix. So yeah, just thought I'd throw this out here, just in case anyone is having trouble. Thought I'd share what I did, and it worked. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time.